Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Flowers. If you're new here, we are a family flower farm in Dallas, Texas. And today is Friday, so me and my husband are harvesting together. And we have an early morning and we're going to be harvesting some more. So here's a little bit of the harvest. So here's my favorite rose in the garden called A Beautiful Day, and I'm with my best friend, my best harvesting buddy, and it's always super cute when he cuts my favorite rose for me. Here's a look at what we harvested Friday, a day before the market. It is now Saturday morning, and this is hubby's second trip for setting up our booth at the market. We have an early harvesting morning, so let's see how many flowers that we can get harvested to sell at the market. So we were able to get quite a bit and ended up making the mason jars while we were out in the garden. So we were able to get some more mahogany splendor, and we are off to the market. It is a beautiful, chilly, foggy day, and I'm enjoying the drive through the hills. So we have our first purchase before the start of the market.
Oh, we are all set up, and I'm going to show you the setup.
So I have my cutest customer here, and she's going to tell us some jokes.
Did you hear about the rumor about butter? Never mind, I shouldn't spread it.
Okay, what's the other one?
How do you scare a panda?
How?
Bamboo.
Guys, it has been a busy market, so we are not sellouts, but it has been constant and steady. So I've constantly been refilling the flower stand. So hopefully we can keep, selling. Our mason jars are starting to sell, so I'm super excited about that. I didn't make any bouquets, but I have been making bouquets for the customers, so we're doing really good. It's a beautiful Sunday, and I'm headed off to the market. I didn't get to record the close of the market because my phone ended up dying. So when we get to the market, I will give you guys an update on the products and what we ended up selling yesterday. It is a beautiful foggy morning in the hills. I love it. morning, you guys, and I am finally set up. So I'm going to show you what Sunday's setup looked like and also give you an update on the product table. For an update, so half of the mason jars sold yesterday, so we made 12 in total, and we have 6 left, so half of those. And our perfumes did really well, so I'm trying to keep a group of 5 on the table, and we just sold one, so I have to replace that. So the perfumes are doing amazing. We have our teas here. We sell a variety of 4 different teas, and we have a new one in the works. Our pumpkins did really well too, and I believe we sold about 8 of those.
Although this Sunday is really slow, the same as last Sunday, we are doing really well. We have 3 mason jars now, and see how the traffic has really died down at the market.
So it is time to pack up, and no, it wasn't a sellout day again. The markets have just not been on that upward trend, but we're gonna keep going, and we're gonna hopefully do better next week, possibly, but it's supposed to rain, so we'll see.
On the way home, I have a lot to reflect on, so stay tuned for this week's business tip. I'm so happy to be home and see my kiddos. There's my love back there in the background, just immediately helping me. So what we're going to be doing is setting out the flowers that did not sell. We're going to be giving that to the community for free.
So now that I'm back home, I wanted to give a business tip and let you guys know that we had a vendor giving out free roses to customers to promote their business, and then also there was another flower vendor there at the market. But I wanted to talk about competition. So if you're selling something at your market, whether it be microgreens or you're selling bread or whatever you're selling, and there's another vendor selling the same thing, do not view it as competition. Just make sure you're consistent and selling to your customers, and so when there are other vendors, you don't have anything to worry about because you've built up that customer base. And then also, if it's your first time vendoring and you see that there are other vendors, just stand firm in your product. Make sure your signage is good, make sure you're giving that customer service, making sure you're making your customers feel good about their purchase. If they purchase with you, just leave a lasting impression. So although someone else could be selling the same thing as you, they're not you. So we didn't reach that $3,000 goal, but we weren't shy from it, so it was still a good market. It was better than last week. So as always, I'm wishing you guys peace, love, and flowers. See you guys in the next video.